Welcome to my channel. The 2026 Maserati MC20 is not just a supercar, it is a statement of intent from a brand that has racing in its blood and elegance in its soul. From the very first glance, the MC20 feels like a bridge between Maserati's legendary past and its bold future. Every curve, every surface, and every detail has been shaped with one clear goal in mind: to deliver pure performance without sacrificing Italian luxury and emotion. This car is designed for people who don't just want speed, but want to feel connected to the road, the engine, and the heritage behind the badge. The design of the 2026 MC20 is breathtaking, but it never feels exaggerated. Maserati has resisted the temptation to overstyle the car, choosing instead a clean, timeless look that will age beautifully. The low nose, wide stance, and flowing lines give the MC20 a powerful presence even when it's standing still. The butterfly doors instantly grab attention, not just because they look dramatic, but because they are functional, making it easier to get in and out of such a low car. From the side, the sculpted air intakes blend smoothly into the body, feeding the engine while maintaining an elegant profile. At the rear, the design is muscular yet refined, with slim taillights and a diffuser that hints at the performance hidden underneath. Step inside the 2026 Maserati MC20, and you immediately notice how focused the cabin is on the driver. This is not a cluttered interior filled with unnecessary buttons. Instead, Maserati has created a clean, modern space where everything feels intentional. The seats are low, supportive, and perfectly shaped for spirited driving, yet comfortable enough for longer journeys. Premium materials surround you, from fine leather to carbon fiber and Alcantara, all assembled with the craftsmanship you expect from an Italian luxury brand. The steering wheel feels fantastic in your hands, with integrated controls that let you focus on driving without distraction. The digital displays are crisp and easy to read, providing all the information you need without overwhelming you. Maserati has clearly thought about how drivers actually use technology in a performance car. The infotainment system is fast and intuitive, supporting modern connectivity features while keeping the interface simple. This balance between technology and purity is one of the MC20's greatest strengths. It feels advanced, but never soulless. At the heart of the 2026 Maserati MC20 is its most impressive feature, the Nettuno engine. This 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 is entirely developed by Maserati, marking a huge milestone for the brand. The name, Nettuno, inspired by Neptune, the Roman god of the sea, is fitting because this engine delivers power with authority and grace. Producing around 630 horsepower, it launches the MC20 with incredible force, yet the power delivery feels smooth and controlled. Thanks to advanced combustion technology derived from Formula One, the engine is both powerful and efficient, proving that performance and innovation can go hand in hand. The sound of the Nettuno engine is another highlight. It doesn't rely on artificial noise or gimmicks. Instead, it delivers a raw, mechanical soundtrack that builds as the revs climb, reminding you that this is a true driver's car. Whether you're accelerating hard on an open road or simply cruising, the engine always feels alive, responding instantly to your inputs. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts quickly and smoothly, ensuring that power is always available when you need it. Performance numbers tell only part of the story, but they are still impressive. The 2026 MC20 can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in under 3 seconds, and its top speed exceeds 325 km/h. These figures place it firmly in the supercar league, competing with some of the most respected names in the industry. However, what truly sets the MC20 apart is how it feels to drive. Maserati has focused on balance and precision, creating a car that feels confident and engaging rather than intimidating. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis plays a major role in this. It provides exceptional rigidity while keeping the overall weight low, improving both performance and handling. The suspension setup is finely tuned, offering a perfect blend of comfort and control. In everyday driving, the MC20 feels surprisingly compliant, absorbing bumps and imperfections without feeling harsh. Switch to a more aggressive driving mode, and the car transforms, becoming sharper, more responsive, and eager to attack corners. Steering feel is another area where the 2026 Maserati MC20 shines. The steering is precise and communicative, giving you a clear sense of what the front tires are doing at all times. This connection between driver and car is something that many modern supercars struggle to achieve, but the MC20 manages it beautifully. You don't feel isolated from the road, instead, you feel like an active part of the driving experience. Maserati has also equipped the MC20 with multiple driving modes, allowing you to tailor the car's behavior to your mood or driving conditions. In GT mode, the car is refined and relaxed, perfect for long journeys or city driving. Sport mode sharpens the throttle response and opens up the exhaust, adding excitement without sacrificing control. Casa mode is where the MC20 truly comes alive, delivering maximum performance in track-focused settings for drivers who want to push the car to its limits. Safety and driver assistance features are present, but they never feel intrusive. Maserati understands that people buying an MC20 want to drive, not be driven by technology. Systems like traction control and stability control are finely calibrated, stepping in only when necessary and allowing skilled drivers to explore the car's capabilities with confidence. The 2026 Maserati MC20 also represents a turning point for the brand in terms of innovation and future vision. While this model focuses on pure internal combustion performance, it sets the foundation for Maserati's next generation of vehicles, including electrified versions. The MC20 proves that Maserati can compete at the highest level of performance while staying true to its identity. It's not about chasing trends or copying competitors, it's about offering something uniquely Maserati. Ownership of an MC20 is about more than just driving. It's about being part of a legacy that stretches back over a century. Maserati has a rich racing history, and the MC20 proudly carries that DNA. From its name, which stands for Maserati Corse 2020, to its engineering philosophy, everything about this car reflects a deep connection to motorsport. Yet, it remains practical enough to be enjoyed on the road, not just admired in a garage. In a world where many supercars feel increasingly digital and disconnected, the 2026 Maserati MC20 stands out by offering an emotional experience. It's a car that excites your senses, challenges your skills, and rewards you every time you get behind the wheel. It doesn't shout for attention, but it commands respect through its design, performance, and authenticity. For enthusiasts who value character as much as speed, the MC20 is a refreshing reminder of what a supercar should be. It's fast, yes, but it's also beautiful, engaging, and deeply satisfying to drive. Maserati has managed to create a car that feels special in every sense of the word, from the moment you see it to the moment you turn off the engine after a spirited drive. The 2026 Maserati MC20 is not trying to be the loudest or the most extreme supercar on the market. Instead, it aims to be one of the most balanced and emotionally rewarding. It's a car that respects tradition while embracing innovation, a car that celebrates performance without forgetting elegance. For those who understand and appreciate the art of driving, the MC20 is more than just a machine. It's an experience, a passion, and a true expression of Italian automotive excellence.